Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Windows Defender Firewall directly. Press the Windows key, type Firewall, and pick Windows Defender Firewall. Once done, confirm you're using an administrator account so changes stick. Next, check the network profile. Set private for trusted home or work networks and leave public restricted. Make sure Windows Update is current. Firewall rules rely on signatures and system fixes. Now, proceed to allow an app or change inbound rules. We'll create a targeted rule next. You'll now use advanced settings to create precise rules. Open inbound rules, click New Rule, then pick port for service-specific control or program to lock an app. Specify TCP or UDP and enter port numbers like 80, 443, or a custom range. Next, choose Allow or Block and apply the rule to domain, private, or public profiles. This prevents overexposure. Finally, name the rule clearly so you can find it later. Description fields help others understand why it exists. Finish by testing the service. Run testnet connection in PowerShell or try connecting from a client machine. If it fails, make sure the rule order and profile assignments match your network. Sometimes a block rule overrides an allow. Check Event Viewer for firewall or application errors and temporarily disable the rule to isolate the issue. If multiple systems need the same setup, use group policy or export the rule. As a last resort, restore firewall defaults, but reapply necessary rules afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.